Hello, everyone. Welcome to day 40. So, Arjuna is now a student of Vedanta. Vedanta has a heaviness to it, meaning that if you remember when I talked about the word guru and how one of the deeper meanings is that the wisdom of the teacher or guru falls heavy on the student. And Vedanta is like that. It's very profound. And so within the tradition, students and teachers are sort of cautioned to not talk casually about Vedanta, meaning talk about it with people who aren't interested. But I want to highlight some aspects of Vedanta as we move forward because as I look into the popular culture and all of our manifestation paradigms and our popular mystic philosophy, there's so much of Vedanta interwoven in that. And so many of these modern traditions, in many ways, have a foundation that comes from the ancient teachings of these Indian philosophical traditions. And so I want to share with you what is really beautiful about Vedanta, especially. In that vein, I want to begin by sharing a little more about Swami Dayananda and what made his teaching so special. He had this amazing gift as a teacher that he could bring all of us into a roar of laughter very quickly. He'd be talking about something very profound, using the Sanskrit and in a somewhat serious manner. And then just in a second of time, he would flip it and he would start relating what he was talking about to some story, and we would all be roaring with laughter. And so I remember one time, and this is from a recording of one of his last retreats in Rishikesh. He was trying to impart the idea that happiness is not an attribute. There's no such thing as a happy plant or a happy rock. And he kind of poked fun at the United States as we have a happy hour, and that there's no such thing as a happy place. And he gives the example of this guy going to Waikiki, Hawaii to get married. And then his wife finds another man there. And how now the beach makes this man feel so sad. And any kind of sand brings such sadness to this man, including touching sandpaper. And at this point, everyone is laughing to tears. And laughter is such a beautiful way to absorb wisdom. And I was reflecting on it today. It's one of those human experiences where we touch the divine mystery because our minds completely drop away and our hearts open and the portal to the divine opens, and it's like receiving a kiss from God. Laughter is so beautiful in that way. And he was very gifted at bringing us to laughter. Om peace.